Hi guys, welcome to another episode. It is a second part of me building a welding cart. Last video we stopped in a situation when I was looking for a new gas cylinders provider for welding, because I use the small bottles. That's why I prepared a platform here for the two small bottles. I found it so I can continue my project. And today we'll see how much I will be able to do. What I would like to do is to make some reinforcement here to be able to also attach cylinders to it and prevent from the dropping from the cart. Weld the top to the cart and also make that bottom part for chop saw. Also, I would like to add here, I didn't decide it in which place yet, but a drawer. So I will weld supports here. But before I will weld those supports, I would like to drill holes for bearings that will be holding the whole drawer. So that's the plan for today. And but before we get started, two announcements. First, I heard that my videos are boring because they are too detailed. So maybe not from this video, because this is an ongoing project, but I'm going to change the structure. So the next videos, it's not decided 100% yet, but I will start from showing the ready product, then just how I made it without details, and the details will be at the very end of the video, just for the people that are interested in how and why it is as it is. So this is the first thing. And the second, I've been asked why I use my gloves, which looks like this. Yeah, as you can see, they are not in a perfect condition, but that's absolutely fine for me. I've got a whole stack of brand new and used gloves, but the reason why I use them, they are very low durable, which can be a disadvantage, but for my purpose it is an advantage, because I don't like to use gloves for any tools, power tools that has spinning, rotating discs or whatever rotates there. I've seen a lot of accidents where such a grinder, drill, bend saw catch the glove and it smashed the fingers or even the whole hand. Here it is very low durable, so the saw is not able to catch it with my hand, but that's the habit that I have from the woodworking, is there is a rubber on that side, so I have a better grip. You can see, you can hear that the grip is way better than the bare hand. And also steel or any other things are dirty, so my hands are not getting that dirty that fast. So that's why I use them. So it's not because there are only gloves I have, it's just because they are way better than those disposal latex or vinyl. I hate them because here that material breathes, so it's way better for my hands, and when it cracks only on those places. When this disposal, when they cracks, they are completely useless. So of course I'm not using it for painting. Sometimes I do, but not when I use chemicals. But for all kind of things that I need to have a good grip, and I would like to protect somehow my hands. I like those very low durable gloves. So that's all, I guess, for the beginning. I will do some grinding before I will weld. Probably the drawer will be completely separate video, so I will just prepare it for making drawer, but without any details so far. So let's get started. And welding card is done. As you can see, it's orange, already painted. I did some small changes compared to my very first design, but from things that you cannot see, as a primer I use Otex from T-Gorilla. It's a very nice primer. It also sticks to aluminium nut rivets that I used for bearings. And for the final finish I used Deluxe Rapid Dry for wood and steel. So that's from, and it seems to be quite durable. I put my compact welding machine on top of it. There's a rubber, so it's quite safe, but there is also my welding board at the bottom, cylinders here, and paint seems to be still fine, so we will see in the future how it works. And about the wheels, two front wheels have a brake, the rear don't, and I used a small screws self-drilling that I was using for when I was doing a mechanical ventilation to screw pipes together in my house. So I will give you a short tour how it looks like, and thanks for watching. See you next time. That footage will be a little bit shaky because I keep my camera in my hand, but here I didn't use one sheet of steel. I'm talking about the top surface because shipping cost is too high, so I use a flat bars, and now it has advantages because I can use those gaps for holes and to strap my cables, at least because I don't have a drawer yet, so at least for now. Here is a space for my two cylinders. The hose is pretty long because I was in the past I was carrying only welding machine, because sometimes the bottles are made out of steel and are pretty heavy. Here my chop saw, this one here. Yeah, so there is also a space for my chop saw. Behind I added one more square tube as a support for my welding board, and here is also some space for my piece of granite. Compared to the initial project, here should be a one more profile, the same in front. I thought it would be nice for a drawer, like a stop block and support, but I decided to do not weld it yet, so we will see how I will solve a drawer issue in the past. Yeah, but for now everything's works fine. Gravity point is very low, so it is very stable, because all heavy items are at the bottom. Also the bottom part is very heavy, so that's how it looks like.